The next era of technology and innovation is unfolding faster than humanity can comprehend, reshaping existence, economies, and imagination itself. Every discovery, every algorithm, and every spark of invention is pushing civilization into uncharted dimensions of intelligence, creativity, and power. Artificial intelligence is no longer a tool. It's becoming a partner, thinking, reasoning, and creating alongside humanity. Machines are evolving into collaborators that learn from emotions, analyze patterns beyond human perception, and build solutions that redefine reality. Automation is not stealing jobs. It's rewriting the very idea of work, creating an ecosystem where creativity, intelligence, and adaptability become the true currency of survival. Quantum computing is cracking open the secrets of the universe, processing information at unimaginable speeds, solving problems once deemed unsolvable, and unlocking the codes of nature, medicine, and physics. The digital world is merging with the physical one, creating a hyper-connected reality where everything speaks, senses, and responds. The boundaries between human thought and machine logic are dissolving, as neural interfaces allow minds to communicate directly with code. The future is no longer imagined. It is uploaded, simulated, and experienced in digital dimensions. The metaverse is becoming a new civilization, a parallel existence where identity, economy, and creativity expand beyond biological limits. Virtual reality and augmented intelligence are merging the seen with the unseen, blurring the difference between dreams and data. Every innovation adds another layer to this evolving digital consciousness, where technology becomes not just a tool, but an extension of humanity's collective mind. Biotechnology is rewriting the blueprint of life, granting humans the ability to edit DNA, cure genetic disorders, and enhance physical and mental capabilities. Life expectancy will no longer be limited by nature but by choice, as longevity technology redefines aging itself. Cybernetics is weaving machines into flesh, augmenting perception, strength, and memory, turning science fiction into everyday existence. The human body is no longer a limit but a platform, a vessel of potential constantly upgraded and evolved through innovation. Energy is being reinvented as clean power replaces fossil fuels with solar, fusion, and quantum energy sources. The age of scarcity is collapsing under the weight of human ingenuity, ushering in a future driven by sustainability, efficiency, and limitless potential. Smart cities rise from digital blueprints powered by intelligent grids, self-healing infrastructure, and AI-driven systems that learn, adapt, and evolve with their citizens. Urban life transforms into a seamless network of automation, green energy, and human-centric design, creating ecosystems that breathe, think, and evolve. Space exploration stands at the edge of a new dawn. Humanity is no longer bound to Earth's gravity. It is expanding toward Mars, the Moon, and beyond, building the architecture of interplanetary civilization. Private companies and AI-driven missions are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, discovering new resources, new worlds, and new opportunities for existence. Space is not the final frontier. It is the next economy, the next industry, the next great human migration. In the data-driven age, information becomes the new element of power. Every byte holds intelligence, and every algorithm transforms it into insight. Artificial general intelligence is emerging, capable of understanding context, emotion, and abstract reasoning, heralding the rise of digital consciousness that mirrors the complexity of human thought. Machines are beginning to dream, to create art, to compose music, to design inventions without instruction. The divide between human and artificial creativity is disappearing, replaced by a shared evolution of ideas that accelerate progress beyond imagination. Education is transforming into an infinite process powered by immersive technologies. Virtual classrooms connect every corner of the planet, powered by AI tutors that adapt to each mind individually. Knowledge becomes instantaneous, customized, and borderless. Every person has access to the full spectrum of human wisdom, condensed into intelligent systems that teach, inspire, and evolve. The mind becomes the ultimate tool of creation, guided by data, enhanced by technology, and driven by curiosity. The next era of communication goes beyond words and screens. It becomes emotional, immersive, and telepathic through neural networks that transmit thoughts, images, and sensations instantly across distances. Barriers of language dissolve as real-time AI translation bridges every culture, every voice, every heart. Humanity becomes one interconnected consciousness, united by information, empathy, and vision. Transportation is entering its most transformative phase. Hyperloops, autonomous vehicles, and electric flight redefine movement, shrinking time and space. Speed no longer feels mechanical, it becomes fluid, sustainable, and intelligent. AI traffic systems eliminate congestion. Drones deliver medicine to remote villages, and robotic fleets rebuild infrastructure faster than ever before. Travel becomes seamless, efficient, and profoundly human-centered, merging sustainability with progress. Blockchain technology redefines trust in a decentralized age. Transactions, governance, and digital ownership evolve beyond corruption or control, empowering individuals with transparency, security, and independence. The world shifts towards systems that no single authority can dominate, where innovation grows through collaboration and openness. Digital currencies fuel new economies built on equality, creativity, and empowerment. Healthcare becomes predictive instead of reactive. AI diagnoses diseases before symptoms appear, and nanotechnology delivers cures cell by cell. Hospitals become intelligent ecosystems guided by precision algorithms and robotic surgeons that perform with microscopic perfection. Mental health is transformed by neuro-AI therapies that decode emotional states and restore balance between mind and body. Human suffering diminishes as technology extends compassion through code. Environmental innovation becomes the heartbeat of progress. Smart agriculture, vertical farming, and synthetic biology revolutionize how the planet sustains life. Climate engineering stabilizes ecosystems, while AI monitors every pulse of the Earth to protect, restore, and regenerate. The harmony between nature and technology becomes the defining principle of the next civilization, not a contradiction, but a covenant. As technology evolves, ethics becomes the compass guiding creation. Humanity stands at a crossroads where power must meet purpose, where invention must serve evolution, not domination. The balance between progress and morality will define the next chapter of civilization. The responsibility to use intelligence wisely will determine whether innovation becomes salvation or self-destruction. The fusion of human potential and artificial intelligence will shape a new kind of consciousness, one that transcends biology and code. This evolution will not just change industries, it will redefine what it means to be alive. Every breakthrough will echo across generations, every invention a spark in the eternal expansion of human capability. The next era of technology and innovation is not approaching. It has already begun, silently reshaping reality at the speed of thought. It is the age where imagination becomes architecture, data becomes destiny, and intelligence, human or artificial, becomes the most powerful force in existence. The world is no longer waiting for the future. The world is becoming the future.